Welcome to GoodWe Training Series. Today we will take you through the ES-G2 unboxing and installation. Unboxing. Here is the ES-G2 box. In the box, there is a mounting bracket, an accessory box, COM cable for battery and meter, a smart meter and the inverter. Here are components including an accessory box. Introduction of inverter. Take a look at the appearance of ES-G2 from different views. Length is 505.9 mm, width is 154.8 mm and the height is 434.9 mm. Here is the parameter label of the inverter. Bottom view of ES-G2, there are many ports. Installation of inverter. Now, we need to fasten mounting bracket to the wall, then hang the inverter on the mounting bracket. After it, don't forget to tighten the safety screw and fix the ground cable on the inverter. Preparation and connection of DC side. Here is preparation of PV wiring. Use wire stripper to strip the wire insulation layer to a suitable length, then insert the wire into terminal and compress it tightly with crimping pliers. Insert wires into positive DC connector and screw up tightly. Same process on negative DC connector. Before connecting wires to inverter, keep DC switch off. Then unplug the MPPT protector and insert DC wires. Preparation and connection of battery side. Here is the preparation of battery side. Route the battery power cable through the battery connector and insert the striped wire into the OT terminal. Then compress it tightly. Same steps to prepare the positive cable of inverter side. At battery side, route the cable through the rubber seal ring and the nut. Then plug in the battery terminal. Crimp the battery connector to the cable tightly. At last, tighten the nut. The same steps to prepare the negative side. Route the cable through the battery connector. Lock the screws on inverter. Put the battery connector on, and tighten the cover. Then connect the other side of the cables to the battery, both negative and positive. Connect the communication cables to the inverter, both battery and meter. Next, connect the other side to the battery. You can connect to any one of the two communication ports and the other port needs to be blocked with a RJ45 resistor. At last, install the wire harness fix bar to fasten the cables. Preparation and connection of AC side. Route the AC wires through the AC connector. Connect the AC wires to the corresponding terminals such as L, N, and PE ports correctly. Next, install the connector to the gland by hearing a click sound, and tighten the cover. Same steps to prepare AC connector for the backup side. Plug AC connectors into AC output ports for both on-grid and backup side. Then plug Wi-Fi module. Don't forget to install the smart meter and the CT. You can refer to the wiring diagram here we provided. Next, turn on the circuit breaker of the battery and close the battery cover. Finally, you can turn on the inverter, and the inverter will work after a few seconds. Configuration via SolarGo. This part will teach you how to configure SolarGo when you finish assembling the inverter. You need to download SolarGo app. Open phone setting, search the Wi-Fi signal, the password is 123456778. Open SolarGo app, and refreshing the homepage, you will see connected inverter. Select the device, the password is 123456778. There will be some basic data of inverter on home and parameters page. Click parameters button, you can see the detailed operating data, version information, and alarm information. The configurations will be done through setting button. In basic setting, you should choose the safety code. You can choose the safety according to the country or region. GoodWe products are compatible with almost all safety codes. In the work mode, we choose general mode and click set. Here we can select battery model and meter test. Finally, do not forget to save the settings before exit. That's all for ES-G2 unboxing and installation. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe Training Series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.